Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video on some car maintenance, cabin air filter. I got my oil done, changed by Acura, and then they were like, do you want cabin air filter for another 75 bucks? I said, let me do it myself and save some money. So I actually got a better one that's HEPA, so you got some activated carbon. Well, definitely clean up some smell and stuff like that. It's really easy to do. If you were looking to get this one, I'll put a link down below. But yeah, you want to empty your glove box, which is shown here. All right, so this is the glove box, pretty much empty. You can remove this little damper right here by just pushing it down. It's a little hook, so you just push it down, and you squeeze these little sides right here. And once you squeeze the sides out, it's gonna have some, basically a leverage because it is hooked onto it on the bottom. So there's no screws. You can see where it kind of latches on right here, the little damper. And then we have the little area it rests on. Now, you can clearly see in video, that's good. This is where the filter is, and you can tell they actually took a picture of it, but they actually ripped my OEM one because it wasn't ripped originally. But you can kind of see, this car's garage, babied pretty much, and it's very dirty. And my car has 6,000 miles, so very dirty. Let's get rid of it. Let me show you the one I got. I got it on Amazon, came within like a day. Woo! This side inlet, please remove sticker. So first thing I notice, it's a lot more heavy duty. You got the activate charcoal, air side inlet, the airflow basically goes up. Pretty much flows like this, so it goes down. That's why the top is dirtier than the bottom. So you want same concept right here. You don't want this to filter first. You want the paper filter to go first. Put that in there. And it is kind of side dependent. One side is a little bit wider than the other. Press that in, real good. I love the foam. Gets a nice seal. And I have the little string kind of sticking out. And again, you can kind of see this is not a perfect square. This side is a little bit wider than the other side. After that, you want, it says up here, so that you know where this thing kind of closes. Don't get it confused where it says up. You would think that's the flow, but the airflow is on the filter itself. And it kind of makes sense. Your windshield, if you can kind of see my hand, that's where the air comes in, and it kind of goes in like this. So that's why you can kind of tell, that's why the air in the top is filtered first. There you have it, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.